How to answer or reject an incoming call without touching the phone with Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on advanced features. After that, tap on Bixby. Then scroll down and tap on talk to Bixby without wake up. Now in here, make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And for the phone call, you can either say answer phone or reject call. So let's test it out. So here, when I receive an incoming call, I can say answer phone. And here, we have answered the call. To reject the call, you can say reject call. Reject call. Reject call. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.